Welcome to our journey through the enchanting region of Bavaria, a place where stunning landscapes meet rich cultural heritage. Nestled in the southeastern corner of Germany, Bavaria is renowned for its breathtaking scenery, from the majestic peaks of the Alps to the serene lakes and lush green valleys that stretch as far as the eye can see. This picturesque region is not just a feast for the eyes, it is also steeped in history and tradition, offering a unique blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. As we embark on this exploration, prepare to be captivated by the iconic castles that dot the landscape, such as the fairy-tale Neuschwanstein Castle, which inspired Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle. The charming towns and villages with their colorful facades and bustling markets invite you to immerse yourself in Bavarian culture, where time-honored customs come alive in lively festivals and delicious cuisine. Throughout this video, we will uncover the hidden gems and must-see attractions that make Bavaria a truly remarkable destination. From the enchanting streets of Munich, famous for its beer gardens and art museums, to the tranquil beauty of the Bavarian forest, each location tells a story waiting to be discovered. Join us as we delve into the wonders of Bavaria, where every corner reveals a new adventure and every experience leaves a lasting impression. Get ready to be inspired by the unique attractions and unforgettable experiences that this incredible region has to offer. Neuschwanstein Castle. Perched high in the Bavarian Alps, Neuschwanstein Castle is a breathtaking fairy tale structure that has captured the hearts of millions. Commissioned by King Ludwig II of Bavaria in the 19th century, this iconic castle was inspired by the romantic ideals of medieval architecture and the operas of Richard Wagner. Although construction began in 1869, the castle remains unfinished, yet its enchanting design has made it one of the most photographed landmarks in the world, and the inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle. As you approach Neuschwanstein, the stunning views of the surrounding landscape take your breath away. The castle is framed by lush forests, rolling hills, and the majestic peaks of the Alps, creating a picturesque backdrop that seems straight out of a storybook. Visitors can explore the scenic trails that lead to the castle, offering panoramic vistas that showcase the beauty of Bavaria in every season. Whether blanketed in snow or adorned with vibrant autumn foliage, the views are nothing short of spectacular. Architecturally, Neuschwanstein is a masterpiece of Romanticism, blending elements of Gothic and Romanesque styles. Its soaring towers, intricate carvings, and ornate interiors reflect Ludwig II's vision of a romanticized past. The castle features stunning rooms, including the lavish throne room and the exquisite Singer's Hall, each adorned with elaborate frescoes and decorative details that transport visitors to a bygone era. Neuschwanstein Castle is not just a sight to behold. It is a symbol of dreams and imagination, inviting all who visit to step into a fairy tale. Munich's Marienplatz. Welcome to Marienplatz, the vibrant heart of Munich, where history and modernity blend seamlessly to create a lively atmosphere. This central square has been the city's main public space since the 12th century and is surrounded by stunning architecture, making it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Munich. At the center of Marienplatz stands the magnificent New Town Hall, a neo-Gothic masterpiece that captures the imagination of visitors. One of its most famous features is the Glockenspiel, which performs daily at 11 a.m. and noon, enchanting onlookers with its intricate mechanical figures that reenact historical events, including a traditional wedding and a nightly tournament. As you wander through Marienplatz, you'll find bustling markets and an array of local cuisine that tantalizes the senses. The square is home to various food stalls and cafes, offering delicious Bavarian specialties such as pretzels, sausages, and hearty stews. Don't miss the chance to savor a refreshing beer from one of the nearby beer gardens, where you can soak in the lively atmosphere while enjoying traditional music and friendly conversation. Throughout the year, Marienplatz hosts a variety of cultural events and festivals that celebrate Munich's rich heritage. From the famous Christmas market, where festive lights and handcrafted goods create a magical ambiance, to the lively Oktoberfest, which attracts millions of visitors eager to experience Bavarian culture, Marienplatz is always buzzing with activity. This central location serves as a gathering place for locals and tourists alike, making it a vibrant hub of life in Munich. The Romantic Road. Welcome to the Romantic Road, a scenic route that winds through the heart of Bavaria, showcasing the region's charming towns and breathtaking landscapes. This iconic drive stretches approximately 350 kilometers, offering travelers a delightful journey filled with picturesque villages, rolling hills, and enchanting vineyards. One of the highlights along the route is Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a medieval town that seems frozen in time. With its well-preserved walls, cobblestone streets, and half-timbered houses, Rothenburg is a fairy tale destination that captivates visitors with its charm and history. As you travel along the romantic road, you'll be treated to stunning countryside views that change with the seasons. Lush green fields, vibrant flower meadows, and sprawling vineyards create a picturesque backdrop, inviting you to stop and take in the beauty of the Bavarian landscape. The region is known for its excellent wines, particularly Riesling, and many vineyards offer tastings and tours, allowing you to savor the local flavors. In addition to the natural beauty, the romantic road is dotted with historical landmarks and castles that tell the story of Bavaria's rich heritage. From the majestic Neuschwanstein Castle, which inspired countless fairy tales, to the impressive medieval fortifications of Dinkelsbühl, each stop along the route offers a glimpse into the past. Visitors can explore ancient churches, charming market squares, and museums that celebrate the region's culture and traditions. The romantic road is not just a drive, it is an unforgettable experience that invites you to discover the enchanting essence of Bavaria. Zugspitze, Germany's highest peak. Welcome to Zugspitze, the highest mountain in Germany, standing proudly at 2,962 meters above sea level. This majestic peak offers breathtaking views and a plethora of outdoor activities, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. There are several ways to reach the summit, catering to different preferences and skill levels. For those seeking a leisurely ascent, the Zugspitze cable car provides a comfortable ride to the top, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape as you glide above the picturesque valleys. For the more adventurous, a variety of hiking trails lead to the summit, ranging from moderate walks to challenging climbs that reward you with a sense of accomplishment and unparalleled scenery. Zugspitze is a year-round playground, offering a wide range of activities for visitors to enjoy. In the winter months, the mountain transforms into a skiing paradise, with well-groomed slopes catering to skiers of all levels. Snowboarders and snowshoe enthusiasts will also find plenty of opportunities to explore the winter wonderland. As the snow melts and spring arrives, the mountain becomes a hiker's haven, with trails that wind through lush alpine meadows and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks. The panoramic views from Zugspitze are nothing short of spectacular. On clear days, you can see the majestic Alps stretching across the horizon, with their snow-capped peaks and deep valleys creating a stunning backdrop. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply want to soak in the beauty of nature, Zugspitze promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of Germany's natural wonders. Nuremberg's historic Old Town. Welcome to Nuremberg's historic Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that boasts a rich tapestry of history and stunning architecture. At the heart of this enchanting area lies the impressive Nuremberg Castle, a formidable fortress that has stood for centuries. This castle not only served as a royal residence, but also played a crucial role in the city's political and cultural life. Visitors can explore its well-preserved towers, ramparts, and the beautiful courtyard, all while soaking in the panoramic views of the city below. As you wander through the charming streets of the Old Town, you'll be captivated by the medieval buildings that line the cobblestone pathways. The picturesque facades, adorned with intricate details, transport you back in time. Local markets, such as the bustling Hauptmarkt, offer a delightful array of fresh produce, handmade crafts, and traditional Nuremberg specialties, including the famous Nuremberg sausages and gingerbread. The vibrant atmosphere invites you to engage with local vendors and experience the warmth of Bavarian hospitality. Throughout the year, Nuremberg's Old Town hosts a variety of cultural events that celebrate its rich heritage. One of the most famous is the Nuremberg Christmas Market, known as Christkindlesmarkt, which attracts visitors from around the world. The market transforms the square into a winter wonderland, filled with twinkling lights, festive decorations, and the enticing aroma of mulled wine and roasted chestnuts. This beloved tradition showcases local artisans and their crafts, making it a perfect opportunity to find unique gifts while immersing yourself in the holiday spirit. Nuremberg's historic old town is a treasure trove of history, culture, and charm, inviting you to explore its many wonders. As we wrap up our exploration of the wonders of Bavaria, it's clear that this enchanting region is brimming with unique attractions and unforgettable experiences. From the fairy tale charm of Neuschwanstein Castle to the vibrant atmosphere of Munich's Marienplatz, Bavaria offers a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. The scenic romantic road invites travelers to discover picturesque villages and stunning landscapes, while Zugspitze, Germany's highest peak, provides year-round outdoor adventures and breathtaking views of the Alps. Each destination we've highlighted showcases the diverse offerings that make Bavaria a must-visit location. We encourage you to embark on your own Bavarian adventure and explore these amazing places for yourself. Whether you're drawn to the historical landmarks, the delicious local cuisine, or the vibrant festivals, Bavaria has something for everyone. Planning your trip can be an exciting journey in itself, filled with opportunities to create lasting memories. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about travel and exploration, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like the video and share it with friends who might be interested in discovering the wonders of Bavaria. We would love to hear your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Have you visited any of these incredible places? What was your favorite part of your Bavarian adventure? Your insights and stories can inspire others to explore this beautiful region. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next journey.